welcome back to the channel. My name is John, and today we are going to be getting some 2x4s and 2x6s, 2x8s, etc. Some disassembly is going to be required, you're going to see here in a minute, but we just have a perfect day here in Maryland for this. It's finally spring, and definitely going to enjoy the nice weather. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wow, the first try you lined up the truck with the trailer and everything connected, but that's of course not the case, as everybody knows that has ever hooked a trailer up before. So here's a picture of the tree that was cut down at my friend Frank's house, and it is a red pine. Now, this is certainly nothing to write home about in terms of, straightness and lack of branches and all that, but it's a decent size. It's about 18 inches at the base, and I was able to get two 12-foot sections out of it. So I figured, he's close by. I haven't had the trailer out in a little bit, so I'll go over and pick it up. I have a bias for green tractors, but Frank is a blue one. It seems to do the job here. So I have everything secured down. I like to run ratchet straps all the way around the logs and pull them together, and then of course I run two heavier duty straps over top of everything just to hold them to the trailer. Yeah, the problem is hills don't look like anything on camera. It probably looks like flat. When I run down in the ditch in the next video segment. Alright, so made it back alright with the logs. Like I said, really nice day for doing this. Beautiful sunny day. I left this part in. I think anybody that has kids will get a kick out of this, but sometimes toys are in the way of the operation. You got to clear them. Alright, so we're all done with the 2 logs there, the red pine log. You see, you got one surprise left here. Frank was actually taking out a cherry tree, and I saw this burl. Actually, pretty good size. Saw this burl on the tree. I said, "Hey, do you want that?" And he didn't. So anyway, I got it. It's be interesting. I don't know how I'm gonna cut it exactly. It's a little small for the mill, or a little too small to hold for the mill. However, it's a decent size. I guess I could always. I probably saw it this way on the bandsaw. This is where a bigger bandsaw would really be nice. Well, if you have any ideas, I think a big bandsaw is the best way, but maybe I can somehow hold this with the sawmill. Just not sure how. I got some time to figure that out, so I'm going to throw this in the other wood pile and show you what I got down here. So two logs. I guess these aren't nicest looking logs, but they're fairly straight. And red pine I never cut before. And hey, just like the video says, I'm going to disassemble some 2x out of this, 2x6s, 2x8s maybe. But yeah, you can see they're a decent size. I'll sit in the photo here just so you can tell size, the scale a little better. The top one I'm not going to get a whole lot out of, but this lower base one's not too bad. Like it's a fairly straight. So. Anyway, not bad for a Sunday. Pretty relaxing day, so it was nice to get out hauling logs again. It's probably been 8-10 months since I did it. Last run I did was with the cedar and cherry. So it's good to get out on the road again and visit a neighbor. But stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll be cutting these up in a future video. Buddy.